What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're bringing you a crown video. It's been a while and we're happy because this has been holding us up for so long and we got it out of the car. So what this is the pilot bearing out of the crown that we were cutting, smashing, destroying, prying. Let's just keep naming things off. But we've literally tried everything to get this thing out and we finally have it out. So now Anthony has got the new bearing that we're gonna put in the car right now. Let's do it. We're making progress. Fuck yeah.
Should I put grease or no?
I'd put some grease. You don't have them down there?
No.
Fuck it, you don't need it.
We're gonna go greaseless, guys. Well, man. Go to the panettone. There we go. Ah, vista. We're in.
Move your hand.
I think it's in all the way.
That doesn't look like it's in, bud.
Nick. It's in, okay?
Is it? On the camera, it just looks weird. So, okay, I'm trusting you that it's in.
It's in.
Okay.
Greased up. Round two.
Round two. This is the seal that we screwed up the first time. We ordered 2 of them, so we have 2 tries today. And everything's been going pretty good because we got that pilot bearing out and the new one installed already. And we've only been working for like 5-10 minutes. So let's see what happens. And to finish things off, we actually have a seal installer that is the right size. So this will hopefully make everything go in smooth.
Oh, it is going in. Nick, you know what we're gonna have to do?
What?
We're gonna have to cut this corner right off. And it'll fit perfect.
Alright guys, we're working on the lower rad hose.
Custom rad hose.
Custom. West Coast Customs here.
There we go, just like a nice piece of prosciutto. Now where, right there?
Yeah, right at the bend.
The bend! Okay, that's probably it right there. See, that's a precise measurement, guys.
Measure no times and cut twice.
That. So that's the release bearing, and then when you push on the clutch pedal, this thing will go like that, and it releases.
Fucking turns.
2 strokes.
There we go. Slave cylinders on. We just gotta get the line on.
I just said
That's it. That's all they give you.
Alright guys, let's wrap on today's video. We don't have a lot left to get the Crown ready and going to the body shop. We're pretty excited. We got a lot of stuff done. In the next video, you guys will see the transmission going in, wrapping up some stuff to do with the fluids on the car, and then that should be it. There shouldn't be much more to get done. This is pretty exciting. See you guys next time. Stay classy, crew.